So here's the silver play button. I hope Tonka uses better than I. I heard that he's going to do. I'm sorry. I heard he was going to do a wrestling belt. Oh, also here's my teenage and my Yoshi. That has nothing to do with this. So Tonka, I hope you like it. I hope you use it well.
Okay, so that's it. 2 things that I'm going to send. Tonka? I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm gonna send Tonka the play button. I promised it. I said it. I didn't promise it. I didn't. But, you know, my eyes. Okay, so I'm going to send it to him. Everything. I promised it. So, I promised him the silver play button because I'm a rat. I feel it inside me. Yeah, oh, very much. It hurts. It hurts so much. It's so good. Oh, my eyes. Okay. So yeah, I promised him. I also am going to send him my favorite letter. Also, I'd like to say, for the record, Nora did nothing wrong. Yeah. I should delete this video. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so people, this is me reboxing the box of the silver play button, and I'm going to send it to Tonka. Okay, so this is the silver play button. Okay, so Tonka, I hope you received this well. Okay, so there you go. My name is still on it. So yeah, hope you receive it well. Okay, this is getting better. Putting the cap back on it. So yeah, I'm sorry for misliking people. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, I promised myself. I promised not to cry. I need air. I'm sorry. Oh, my wife is gonna kill me. I promised her I would pawn this off. Turns out, they would only give me $10 for it. Yeah, I hope everyone likes it. Everyone resub back to me. So yeah. Okay, now to the hardest part. The letter that YouTube sent me. I'm going to put it in Tonka's in the parcel board. I promised myself not to cry, so this is the letter from Tonka. I mean, from YouTube. So yeah, Tonka, I hope you receive it well. I hope everything is alright. Okay, I'm going to show the letter real soon. Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay. Okay, Tonka. You beat me. You can do that wrestling belt you wanted. You deserve. You beat me. Okay, so this is the letter. So sorry, I can't read anything right now. It's something blah blah blah, YouTube, blah blah blah, generic letter. Okay, I'm feeling better. Thank you. Okay, so Tonka, I'm very sorry that I fucked you over. Failure, I'm very sorry I fucked you over. Everyone, I'm very sorry. I fucked you over. I flagged everyone that worked with me. So, this is the letter, signed by Susan. I hope I can keep my channel or something. Okay, so this is the lid. Okay, I'm going to put it back on. I promise you, I'm not stalling. Okay, so, oh, I'm so happy. I got that weight out of my shoulder. Not only did my wife conk me, but also you guys. Oh, I look like a thumb. Let's be real now. For real. Let's be real. I fucked you guys over. I, I shouldn't. I shouldn't have said that about Nora. I really suck at YouTube. I don't understand why I wrote a book and that review on Amazon.ca talking about that one chapter, mass flagging, was real. Nothing is fake. So yeah, I really fucked you guys over. I'm sorry. I should have really thought this through. Okay. So now, I should really put the lid back on it. I should put it back on the box. Send it to Failure's P.O. Box, like Tonka told me to, and gonna make an official apology, pin it on my Twitter, and in less than 2 days, unpin it. So yeah, like nothing happened, water under the bridge, and yeah, I hope you guys like me still, and yeah, I love you guys. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, that's done.